Hi kids, do you like violence? Wanna see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids?
Hey Aaron, it's been a long time since I made a video about you. Some of you might not remember my videos, because that's something that happened. Well, about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, Aaron's mom called my house. Didn't know who she was, so I blindly gave the phone to my dad. And she proceeded to unload my dad on the bullshit claims like that I was an insane crack addict and I was on all kinds of drugs. It's 3:43 a.m. I'm tired. I am not on drugs, okay? Even if I was, look at my pupils. They are not small. So, just destroyed your mother's point. Yeah, mother's point. But tonight, I saw you online, and I was talking to my girlfriend, so there's been this little thought in my mind, just saying why. Why would someone stoop so low to get their own mother involved into an argument with me when they say that they're like, okay. He said that I'm out of control. I'm out of control because I sit on my computer and I speak my mind? Nah, buddy. I'd be out of control if I took a pistol, I ran down the street, pistol whipping everyone, just ring their doorbells, run the answer, boom, in the face with a pistol whip. That would be out of control. Going like that for a 10-mile radius of my house. That is out of control. Charles Manson running around stabbing people. That's out of control. Me talking on the computer, bashing a moron like you. Very well needed and not out of control. But regardless of that fact, you came out and you got your mom involved in this. Then when I ask you online, you admit to it. Yeah, we have our little argument, and I think it's all over. Then you IM'd my girlfriend. This wouldn't have happened if you wouldn't have IM'd her. You said she can do better than me. When you don't really know me. And you say there's a good kid somewhere inside me. You're acting like someone who's known me for about 4 months knows me more than a girl who I've spent most of my time with for about 1.5 years. She knows everything about me. Everything. So, you can't tell her anything about me that she doesn't already know. By the way, Mel, if you're watching. But, that's it. Oh, by the way, just as a farewell to your demolition, here you go. Here's a little video confirmation I made for you, just summing up all my feelings for you.
It happens every time you stop and close your eyes. You can't deny what lives inside you. Well, I know it's hard to see, but what is meant to be when yesterday is so far behind you? Deep inside your soul, no, I'm always there. You made me believe the day you surrendered to me. The memory will never die. The love that you gave, I'll never throw it away. The memory will never die.
Wax on, wax off.